The 2025 Moskvitch 412 is a modern take on a classic Soviet-era sedan, blending retro aesthetics with contemporary technology. It features a sleek yet boxy design reminiscent of its predecessor while incorporating modern aerodynamic elements. The front fascia boasts LED headlights with a distinctive signature, and the grille retains a vintage-inspired look with a modern twist. The body structure is built with high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum components to improve durability and efficiency. Under the hood, the new Moskvitch 412 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing around 200 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing a balance between driving engagement and convenience. An all-wheel drive system is available as an option for better traction in various driving conditions. The fuel efficiency is optimized with direct fuel injection and variable valve timing, delivering an estimated 12 to 15 km per liter, depending on driving conditions. A hybrid variant with a mild electrification system is also expected, improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. Inside, the 2025 Moskvitch 412 offers a blend of nostalgia and modern comfort. The dashboard features a minimalist design with a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The steering wheel has a classic 3-spoke design with integrated controls for audio, cruise control, and hands-free calling. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching, and heated and ventilated options are available for added comfort. The cabin is designed to maximize space while maintaining a retro-inspired feel with wood and brushed aluminum accents. A premium sound system with surround speakers provides an immersive audio experience. Dual-zone climate control ensures passengers remain comfortable regardless of outside temperatures. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making the sedan a practical choice for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. The trunk space is generous, offering around 500 liters of storage, making it suitable for carrying luggage and other essentials. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The vehicle is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection, enhancing safety for both occupants and pedestrians. The body structure is reinforced with impact-absorbing materials to improve crash safety ratings. The airbag system includes front, side, and curtain airbags to provide comprehensive protection in case of a collision. The suspension system is tuned for a balance between comfort and handling, featuring independent front and rear suspension setups. The steering is electronically assisted, providing precise control and ease of maneuverability. The braking system includes ventilated disc brakes on all 4 wheels, ensuring strong stopping power in various conditions. The wheels are available in 17-inch and 18-inch alloy options, with performance tires enhancing grip and stability. On the technology front, the Moskvitch 412 comes with a connected car system that allows remote monitoring and control via a smartphone app. Users can check vehicle status, lock or unlock doors, and start the engine remotely. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are included to keep passengers connected on the go. The vehicle also supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring it remains up to date with the latest features and security patches. Customization options include a range of exterior colors, trim choices, and optional accessory packages. Buyers can choose between a standard variant focused on affordability and a premium trim with additional luxury features. The pricing is expected to be competitive, positioning the Moskvitch 412 as an appealing choice in the midsize sedan segment. With a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern engineering, the 2025 Moskvitch 412 is set to appeal to enthusiasts and practical buyers alike. The combination of advanced technology, refined performance, and classic design makes it a unique offering in the automotive market. For more videos on cars like this, subscribe to the channel and stay updated with the latest automotive reviews, features, and specifications.